Hi there, my name is Peter, and for the past few days I've been designing my own solar PV system with battery storage. I quickly realized that none of the online calculators out there met my needs. Most of them ignore battery storage, overlook complex roof geometry, or treat zero export as an afterthought. I decided to build my own website, one that surpasses the functionality of any free alternative. Here is a list of the features I've implemented, and if there's interest, I will continue to develop it even further. Pick your location directly from an interactive map. Define your exact PV panel configuration, including dimensions and power. Set precise panel azimuth angle, adjust roof slope into planes, which affects final yield calculation. Auto-optimized row spacing prevents shading in low sun months. Includes inverter self-consumption, often a significant factor. Battery storage integration is included with full war impact. Choose zero export or net billing with a custom sellback rate. Finally, generate a detailed PDF report. Start optimizing your solar investment today. Now, let's walk through a sample project that we'll create to showcase the capabilities of the site. At the top of the page, you'll find the language switcher. You can choose between English and Polish. Next to it, there's a theme toggle letting you switch between dark and light mode. The export button allows you to save your entire project as a PDF report. And in the top right corner, you can see the estimated annual energy yield of your system here displayed with the default values. In the sidebar, we start with the OpenStreetMaps interface where you can click to set your installation location or manually enter the geographic coordinates in the fields below. Pressing the Apply Coordinates button will center the map on your chosen spot. Next, we have the azimuth module. This defines the orientation of your installation relative to true south. Getting the azimuth right is crucial, as it directly affects how much sunlight your panels capture throughout the day. You can measure it in a very straightforward way. Just use the compass on your smartphone. Hold the device flat against the wall of your house or along the roof edge, and you'll get the exact angle your system needs to be aligned with. The calculator then uses this value to optimize the yield for your specific roof. Next, we set the panel tilt relative to the horizontal plane. As you adjust this value or any other parameter, the calculator instantly recalculates the optimal row spacing needed to prevent shading from the row in front, especially during the low sun months. All visualizations, the side view, the top view, and the fully interactive 3D model update dynamically, giving you immediate feedback on how your choices affect the layout. You can also define the exact dimensions of your panels and choose how many columns and rows you want. If you need a custom gap between rows, you can adjust that as well. Another powerful feature is the ability to tilt your roof into separate planes along the azimuth and across it. Even small changes in roof slope have an impact on the final energy yield, and the calculator takes them fully into account. We can also measure the roof slope in both planes using a smartphone. Just use a free app that reads the gyroscope. Hold the phone flat against the roof surface to get the angle along the azimuth, and against the perpendicular edge to get the cross slope. It's that simple. Keep in mind that tilting the roof in the direction of the panels effectively adjusts the angle at which sunlight hits them. The calculator automatically compensates for this, so the panel tilt you set earlier remains the actual angle relative to the incoming sunlight. All these settings work together to give you a precise, real-time picture of your installation's performance. Once we've set all the geometric parameters of our installation, we move on to the PVGIS module. First, click the Sync button to transfer our panel tilt and azimuth values. Then, click the Fetch button to retrieve actual historical data for our location. This includes monthly irradiation on the horizontal and tilted planes, as well as the estimated annual energy yield based on satellite measurements. Once the radiation data is successfully loaded, the Radiation tab button will light up, indicating that detailed monthly irradiation charts are now available. The radiation page displays two key charts: monthly horizontal irradiation and monthly irradiation on the tilted plane of your panels. This allows you to compare how much extra energy your tilted setup captures compared to a flat surface month by month throughout the year. The yield page gives you a complete overview of your installation's expected energy production. At the top, you'll find key performance indicators, total annual yield, specific yield per kilowatt peak, installed power, number of panels, active surface area, and the effective panel tilt and azimuth. Below that, two interactive bar charts show monthly energy production and monthly irradiation on the panels, making it easy to spot seasonal variations. A detailed monthly table lets you compare irradiation, production, and daily averages side by side. If PVGIS data is available, the page automatically switches from the built-in model to real satellite-based results, giving you even greater confidence in your planning. All data is clearly marked whether it comes from the model or from PVGIS. Now we move to the ROI calculator. In the sidebar, we define the remaining financial parameters. First, enter the total cost of your installation without the battery. Then set the current electricity price per kilowatt hour. An important parameter is the inverter's self-consumption. It runs 24 hours a day, so it adds up over time. Next, specify the annual degradation rate of your panels, typically around 0.5% per year. Finally, define the expected annual increase in electricity prices. These values allow the calculator to project your savings and return on investment over the next 2 decades. The Formulas tab shows you the step-by-step calculations behind the geometry and energy yield. You'll see the formulas for effective panel tilt, row spacing, shading analysis, and annual production, all with your actual values plugged in, so you can follow exactly how the results were derived. The ROI Analysis tab gives you a complete financial breakdown of your investment. You'll see key indicators at the top, the payback period, total savings over 20 years, the overall return on investment, and average annual savings. Below that, a detailed table shows year-by-year production, annual savings, cumulative savings, and panel efficiency. This allows you to track exactly how your investment performs over time, taking into account degradation, inverter consumption, and rising electricity prices. Inside the battery section, you have several parameters to set. You can enable or disable the storage with a single checkbox. Then you define its capacity, how much energy it can hold. Next, you enter its cost and choose whether to include that cost in your overall investment calculation. You also set your daily household consumption, a key value that determines how much energy you actually need. You can select between 2 consumption profiles, standard, with morning and evening peaks, or home office, which spreads usage more evenly throughout the day. Finally, you choose the operating mode, zero export, which keeps surplus energy in the battery, or net billing, where you sell excess power at your own defined price. Enabling the battery fundamentally changes the financial outcome. Instead of simply selling surplus energy to the grid or letting it go to waste, the battery stores it for later use. This increases your self-consumption rate, meaning you buy less expensive energy from the grid during peak hours. The ROI calculation now accounts for the battery's cost, its capacity, and how efficiently it shifts energy from sunny hours to the evening and night. This is a solid estimation, not a real-time simulation. For perfect accuracy, we would need detailed daily consumption and production data, something rarely available when planning a new installation. Instead, the tool uses standard profiles and average values to give you a reliable benchmark for comparing different configurations and making informed decisions. Finally, you can export your entire project to a PDF report. The document includes all key data, system configuration, annual yield, financial analysis, and if you enabled the battery, a detailed breakdown of its impact. It's ready to save, print, or share with your installer or financial advisor. Thank you so much for watching this entire presentation. I hope this walkthrough gave you a clear understanding of how the tool works and what it can do for your own solar projects. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really motivates me to keep developing and improving the site. Keep in mind, this is still an early version. There may be bugs or areas that need polish, so if you spot anything or have ideas on how to make the tool even better, please let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely interested in your feedback, whether it's a feature you'd like to see, a calculation you'd like to understand better, or just a thought on how to improve usability. My hope is that this video and the calculator itself have educational value, that they help you better understand the many factors that go into designing a photovoltaic system with battery storage. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care, and good luck with your solar journey.